Oh, boy, you're strong. What is it?
It's a present. What is it?
It's Mommy.
It's from Mommy.
What is it? What did Mommy send you?
Rain.
Oh, no, just what we need, 100 cars.
Oh, wow. Cars. Oh, wow.
It's a car.
There's lots of cars.
Look.
You're right.
I open it.
What's in that big box, baby?
The
Huh? The other one that Mommy sent you. What else did Mommy send you? Damien?
race car.
A race car?
Well, he knows how to get into that one.
What is that box?
The car.
I know that's cars, but what's in the other box that Mommy sent you?
Car.
Huh?
The car. The car.
Mommy sent you the cars?
Yeah. So, this car.
Another big thing. Stuff to clean up.